Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one because in today's video I'm going to give you a full tutorial on YouTube automation. And you can start your own YouTube automation channel right after watching this video, very easy. Everything I'm going to show you in this YouTube automation tutorial is completely free of charge. You don't need to purchase any software or do any subscription. You don't need to hire any video editor because the video tools I'm going to show you in this video will do everything for you. Just stay till the end of this video and make sure to save this video for future purposes. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the list of what you will get from this YouTube automation tutorial. Number 1 is the profitable niche to grow in 7 days. 2. The kind of videos to post. 3. Free tools for keyword research. 4. How you can get the video content. 5. Completely free tool that turns text to video and much more. Don't yet create your channel. Create it after watching this video because you will get your channel idea from this video. Now the best niche to go for in 2023 is the crypto niche. Don't worry, you don't need to have any experience in cryptocurrency to start this. Crypto niche has high demand and very low competition, and that's what we are looking for. Now go to Google and search for Google Trend. Search for crypto news. Change the settings here to YouTube in order to get information from YouTube. You can see that there are lots of people searching for this keyword on YouTube, and this is the data that shows that the demand is high and it has low competition. Same thing for Bitcoin. Same thing for Ethereum. And same thing for all other crypto projects. Now to create video in this niche, we will choose one of those keywords. Let's use crypto news for example. Go to Google and search for crypto news. Click on the news section here. And pick any of the recent news or any one of your choices. I'm going to pick this one as example. Sorry, I'm not using this one again. It's too long for tutorial purposes. Let me choose this one. Now let's turn this crypto news into a video. Go to Google and search for Pictory.ai. This website lets you turn articles into video with voiceover, so you get everything you need in one place. I'm going to create new account now. Now I've created a new account. You can see it has a lot of features to turn articles into video. Before we continue, if you are getting value from this video, consider subscribing now because I'm going to post more of this video on this channel. So now, we are going to choose the first one here. Now copy and paste the crypto news article into this space provided for you. Check the little settings here to set it to how you want it to be. Now click Proceed. Now it's time for you to pick a video template. There are lots of templates you can choose from. I will pick this one. Choose your video size and continue. It has started generating video elements. Now it's done. This is the video script on the left if you want to change anything, and this is the video elements on the right side. You can add voiceover to the video here. click on this to make the settings apply to all. Now click here to create your final video. It has started putting the videos together. It's done. Now click on download and the video will be downloaded into your device immediately. Now if you really want to grow your YouTube automation channel in 7 days, subscribe to this channel now and turn on notifications for this channel, because in my next video, I will be teaching you how you can create an SEO video title and description for your YouTube automation videos to rank on the first page. If this video really helps you, click on the like and also share this video for others to benefit. I'll see you in my next video.